Welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about three major notifications that has come out from National Institute of Technology Warangal, India. That is the Faculty Development Program (FDP). So we are going to discuss three major FDP programs that has been come out. The notification is coming now. It will be during July and August. So the registration fee will start from 500. So let us see. So before that, I'd like to invite all to kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get more notifications in the coming days. So now let us see what are the notifications that has come out. So the first faculty development program is on artificial intelligence applications in software engineering. That will be from 6th to 12th July 2021, organized by E and ICT Academy NIT Warangal, and it is a sponsored by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So this is all the notifications that has come out. The last order notification submission of application will be 30th July. So 30th June. So before 11:59. So you need to apply. So the main course content will be Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Software Engineering, AI and Machine Learning, Applications and Predictions. So these are the topics you can see. This faculty development program will be conducted by the faculty members from NIT Warangal, academicians in the concerned field from IITs, NITs and IIITs. The program is open for all the faculty of engineering colleges, MCA colleges and other allied disciplines in India. So industry personnel working in the concerned discipline can also apply. So you can check the registration fees here. 750 rupees for the faculty and research scholars, and industry participant it is 2250 rupees. So this is the notification and this is the form uh, through which you can apply the FDP. So you need to fill the name, designation, institution, email ID, reference number, address, like all the details you can fill. So for the more details you can contact the coordinator, and the email ID is also mentioned here. So this is the first FDP program. So now let us see the second FDP program. It will be it will be organized by Center for Continuing Education and Department of Computer Science Engineering, NIT Warangal. Online Faculty Development Program FDP on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from 26th to 30th July 2021. So you can see here is the form. It is given in the link. I'll put this link in the description. You can check it. So the registration fee is 500 for this. You can transfer the amount to this account. The interested individuals may register on first come first service basis. So you need to register as quickly as possible, and the participant will get an e-certificate after successful completion of the courses. All the courses after completion of the courses you will get a certificate. So here is the in charge person, Dr. Raju Bukya. So you can contact him. I'll put the details in the link. You can find it. And our third notifications is FDP program, that is on machine learning with business applications. That will be from 24th to 28 August. So if I'll zoom it, you can check all the details. Here the registration amount is mentioned here, it is 500 rupees. Account name is also mentioned here, you need to put it. Online form will be there before the registration, you need to fill it. So about the Warangal, NIT Warangal, you can check here, you can check the details. You need to check the selection criteria. Selection will be done on first come first service basis until the last date. Until the seats fill up, you need to register. So this is for who should attend this program. Let us see. If you want to equip yourself with the data analytics skills and tweak your research to be invaluable for business, this program will assist you to develop a fine understanding of basic statistics analytics tools and apt applications. So this is the all notifications you can check. So these are the three latest notifications that has come out for the FDP program organized by NIT Warangal. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our channel to get more details in the coming future and visit universitystudyguide.com for more updates. Thank you very much.